Hi guys, welcome to our 3 minutes on the current housing market, what's going on, and as every Friday, we're going to cover the interest rates.
Which is the biggest topic since the big increase on the mortgage rates.
So today's rate, what's today's average rate on a 30-year fixed loan?
Well, based on this article from Florida Realtors, it jumped to 4.67 from 4.42%.
A week ago.
And year to year is 3.18%.
Yeah. Yeah. A year ago it was 3.18. So 1.5 percentage point increase over 1 year. Isn't that a lot? So let's say your loan is $500,000. How does that translate into the monthly payments?
Well, with the current interest rate at 4.67, you're looking at $2,584 every month. And comparing to 4.42 last week is $2,510 every month. And year over year, it's 2,157.
Yeah,
so
that would have been your payment if you had purchased the house a year ago.
Last year. And year over year difference is about $427 in difference. And of course, that depends on the credit, and the interest rate really varies.
This is just the average.
Average.
The average rate.
And it could be higher, increasing as we're speaking right now.
So if you think that it's only a 1.5 percentage point increase, it translates into a 20% increase in the monthly payment. I think it's
every
a lot.
month. Yeah, on a
month.
On a 30-year fixed mortgage, that's a lot of money.
Year over year. So the properties went up in price, but about on average 20% in every market, right?
Mm-hmm.
In some markets even more. The monthly payments in the rates on the same loan amount increased by 20%. And there's one more thing that adds to that: the cost of the homeowners insurance.
That also increased. So
it's getting hotter and hotter and more expensive every month to get the homeowners insurance here in Florida, and that's because many insurance companies exit the state. They're
bailing from Florida because the risk is way too high. And this is just a start, guys, because
we have to pay more for the house, we have to pay more for the interest, and we have to pay more for the homeowners insurance. Because today, another company is thinking about doing business in Florida. That's the Demotech. Last month, 2 companies, Lighthouse and St. John's, decided to say goodbye to Florida. And that's because there are so many litigations, so many lawsuits against insurance companies in Florida, which accounts for 76% of all property insurance litigation in the country. The insurers simply don't want to do business in Florida.
Yeah, the risk is just too high.
They don't want to do business. They're gonna say, well, I don't know, we don't want to do it. We're gonna do business somewhere else.
And that's a sign that tells us it is gonna get worse and worse. So if you're thinking of selling, you wanna cash out on your house, now really is the time.
So what is the Fed doing, the Federal Reserve System doing to slow down the inflation? They increased the interest rate by a quarter. And they're talking about potentially doing it 7 more times this year. 7 more times a quarter, that's, we're going to be paying more for the consumer debt. We're going to be paying more for the cars, for anything on a credit card.
Mm-hmm.
So everything's going to get more and
more.
Our
expenses are going to go up. Every citizen expenses is going to go up. The daily life.
So if you're thinking about selling, give us a call. Visit our websites. My website is movewithalbert.com.
And my website is BassilSellsRE.com. If you'd like to get a valuation on your current home just from sitting on your couch, reach out to us. We can send it to your email, or we can even come pay you a visit and help you get a better idea of how much your home is worth.
See you next time.
Thank you.